everyone. Today let's take a look on one quick tip, and that is find and replace tool inside of the Revit project. For example, here in this Snowdon Towers sample project, you can see I have some text node in here. So if I select this, you can see it is a text node, and there is one really handy tool for the text nodes, and that is the find and replace tool. So if I go into my annotate, find and replace in here, or if I select the text node and up in here I have a find and replace tool, I can select that, and you can see I can find some word and replace it with something different. So for example, here I will go and try to find a Snowdon. So I will first just find it. I can go and select like only the current selection, so this means this text node, or the current view, or the entire project. So I will go with the entire project. Then you can also choose to match the case and match the whole world. So I will find all, and now you can see I get a result, a table of the matches. So this is the Snowdon, and here in the context, if I make this a little bit larger, you can see where the word is actually being used. So if I go a little bit down, you can see where it is used. So now it has found my Snowdon words, and I can replace it with something else. So I will go with, for example, my project. And now if I will go with the replace all of them, you can see that the Revit will automatically replace all of the items. And you can see it here. If I close this, all of them were replaced. So now it is not Snowdon Tower sample, but my project tower sample, and all of those are my project. So this is perfect when you need to replace something, or when you, for example, misspelled and need to correct it. You can do this in entire project automatically pretty quickly. There is one disadvantage of this, and this is that it works only for the text nodes. So it doesn't work for the parameter based values. And you can see it, for example, in here. Here, the Snowdon Towers is not being used by the text, so by this one, but it is actually a parameter value, so this is a tag. And now you can see that it doesn't change the words in here. I would love if this tool was working also with the parameter based values, because a lot of times I just misspell, and this will speed up my process a lot. But also for the text nodes it is quite useful. So I will go and again change this back from my project back to Snowdon. I will find it in all of the project and replaced, and you can see this back as it was at the beginning.